class, this is Mrs. Bissot here to read you your Wonders Literature Big Book for Unit 6, Week 2. Now this week our story is called Rain, and it is written by Manya Stojic. Now friends, this story is about a day when it is going to start to rain in Africa, and you're going to see what all the different animals do in the story as they are sensing that the rain is on its way. How do you think the animals are going to feel about the rain? Well, you'll have to listen to find out. But before we start listening to the story, I'm going to go over our story vocabulary. Our first word is activity.
An activity is something that you spend time doing.
Change.
If there is a change in something, or if you change something, it becomes different.
Clever.
If you have a clever idea, you have a smart idea.
Drought.
A drought is a long period of time with no rain.
Predict.
To predict is to guess what will happen in the future.
Storm.
During a storm, there are strong winds, heavy rain, or snow.
And temperature.
The temperature tells how hot or cold something is. Rain by Manya Stojic. It was hot. Everything was hot and dry. The red soil was hot and dry and cracked. A porcupine sniffed around. "It's time," she whispered. "The rain is coming. I can smell it. I must tell the zebras." Lightning flashed. "The rain is coming," said the zebras. "Porcupine can smell it. We can see it. We must tell the baboons." Thunder boomed. "The rain is coming," cried the baboons. "Porcupine can smell it. The zebras can see it. We can hear it. We must tell the rhino." A raindrop splashed. "The rain is here," said the rhino. Porcupine smelled it. The zebras saw it. The baboons heard it. And I felt it. I must tell the lion. The lion spoke in a deep purr. "Yes, the rain is here. I can smell it. I can see it. I can hear it. I can feel it. And," he sighed, "I can taste it." It rained and it rained and it rained. It rained until every river gushed and gurgled. It rained until every water hole was full. Then the rain stopped, and everywhere, long feathery grasses grew from the soil. Every tree began to sprout fresh green leaves. "I can't taste the rain now," purred the lion, "but I can enjoy the shade of these big green leaves." "I can't feel the rain now," said the rhino, "but I can lie in the cool, soft, squelchy mud." "We can't hear the rain now," shouted the baboons. but we can eat the fresh, juicy fruit from the trees. We can't see the rain now, said the zebras, but we can have a refreshing drink from the water hole. I can't smell the rain now, whispered the porcupine, but I know that it will come back again when it's time. The sun shone over the plain. It was hot. Everything was drying out. The red soil was hot and dry. A tiny crack appeared. Respond to reading. Now that you're done listening to the story, Rain, retell a story to someone in your own words. Remember to use words like first, then, next, and last when you're describing the story. Now, you should also be able to answer these 3 questions. If you don't remember the answer, you can always go back and listen to the story again. The first question is, what was the first sign that the rain was coming? The second question, after the lightning, what happened next? And the last question, after the rain stopped, what happened?
Well, it looks like the animals really did enjoy the rainy season in Africa. They got to enjoy the water, and they got to roll around it, they got to drink all that nice water. It helped the plants, it helped the animals. So that was great. They got out of that drought, and they got a little bit of rain. And then at the end, it looks like the cycle started all over again. Well, friends, thank you so much for listening to the story. I enjoyed reading it to you, and I will read again to you later. Bye.